if I actually showed you what the hell I was talking about. It's just a cloth belt that you get for sometimes you get it for free. I chopped it off. It deburrs quite nicely, just the feather. This is an old belt I found in a skip. Cut it down. I actually have another piece of this same belt. This one's been treated. Cut it thinner, and then I'm going to turn that into a leather belt. So I want to get you guys here, but I also don't want you to be in my way. Okay. I'd like to run it too fast. Put the light a little bit more on this side. Now you guys can't really see with this light, so I'm going to put the light somewhere there. You guys more back. Back here. You can see what I'm doing here. Maybe not at all. Tries that belt, but there's no heat whatsoever. So I say no heat whatsoever, I mean there's a little bit of friction, but nothing lifting. Sure, you guys probably couldn't have seen that. Maybe on the other camera. So the edge is there. You can see the burr. One more. Got that very good right there. going super soft. That's okay. Belts, make sure they last a bit longer. That was the 320 or the A6. Now this is the A30 or 800. Isaac works in weird numbers. Just a little, I'm not sure, sometimes I forget why I'm tracking this out today. But anyway, let's give that a comes beautifully. I suppose I could actually, these belts have done probably about 15 hours, maybe a little bit more. Super soft, I'm almost putting no pressure. I just want that little burr to pop off. That is sharp. No, feels sharp to me. Seeing that I don't have my leather belt ready, we're not going to strap on there, we're just going to strap on these other guys. Loosen that up. I removed these came with scraping away the edge there a bit. So these guys came with these types of high-rise. I just took them off. Okay, so we're just gonna run it there. This is a super cheap knife. So I actually have a, I think I bought about 3 or 4 of them. So this was just me. This is my sort of test knives for testing techniques and things. These guys are also quite sharp. Very nice little St. Turkey. This one is also very sharp. Richardson, Sheffield. I like Sheffield steel. Okay, so let's go and get them off. look at. I'm gonna pause. You gotta stop.